This is a nice and affordable 110 scale crawler from RGT. And although it's a 110 scale, but it's actually smaller than regular RC cars in the same scale, like the TRX4. And here I have it with 1.9 inch wheels, and not only they look huge on it, but they rub against the body. And I had to use the wheels that came on it for my trailer. So today we'll upgrade to these 1.5 inch metal wheels, and that should fit a lot better on this truck than the 1.9. And also we're going to use the help of these 110 scale jack stands. Now let's do it. And now let's do the rear. And I like that these wheels came with center caps. It gives it a more realistic look. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you